Hello and welcome back to your series of videos in signed and links for Qualtrics platform. In this video, I will talk about how to set up Overquota or Quota Full Redirect Link, and I will only show you the first option in the manual, which is if Tainita is the only sample source of your project. So if all your samples go through Tainita, we recommend setting up the quotas and its redirects entirely in the quota page only. Instead of setting the condition here in the survey flow, we will go to the quota page of your project. Now for example, we want to add a quota for one of the response options of your age question, let's say for 18 to 24. So let's click Add a Quota, select Simple Logic Quota, and create a quota. Then let's put a label for this quota, which is 18 to 24. And set the required quota limit for this age. For example, we only want 50 completes for 18 to 24 years old. Next step is to input the condition for the quota counter logic. So the quota counts will increment when the respondent completed the survey and select 18 to 24 on this age question. Now that we have finished setting up the quota logic condition, we will move on to quota options. When the quota has been met, we need to set up a redirect link for those Overquota respondents back to the data. So let's set the drop-down to End Current Survey, just like the End of Survey element in the survey flow. Then select Redirect to a URL for the message options. This time, we need to copy the Overquota redirect link from the manual and paste it into this text field. Lastly, we should select the option Do Not Increment Quota Counts, as we don't need to increment the quota counter when the respondent is marked as over quota. And that's it. We just finished setting up our first over quota logic. Repeat these steps if you have additional quotas for your project. Don't forget to publish the survey before testing.